Meaning of expulsion.
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 Expulsion. Expulsion refers to being forced to leave a place or an organization. The result of an expulsion is that the individual in question is no longer welcome or allowed to continue their activities within that particular space or group. This can be due to various reasons such as serious rule violations, criminal activity, or breach of contract. The person may face consequences such as legal action, loss of privileges, or reputational damage. Expulsion can have a significant impact on an individual's life and opportunities, and it is generally viewed as a severe form of punishment.